What's up everyone? Welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your printer not recognizing your ink cartridge and stopping you from printing documents? In most cases, this issue arises when the ink cartridge is not properly seated during replacement. In this video, you will learn the process for ensuring the cartridge is set properly. However, if you need a one-on-one assistance, contact our experts by calling the numbers displayed on the screen. Alright, let's get started now. When the printer is turned on, open the front cover and allow the printhead to slide to the left. Remove one ink cartridge from the printhead. Close the printer's front cover. Reopen the front cover and reinstall the cartridge in its original position. Close the cover and check that the printer is cleared of the ink system failure error.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.